Hey, how's it going, everybody? So if you're watching this video, I'm guessing you're somewhat like me in that you are trying to upgrade your boots and maybe interested in buying a pair and you're doing research. So I was in a similar situation where I don't know much about boots, but I have a pair that I've been wearing for a while and I like them a lot. And I like the way they feel and way they look on me. So I was looking to upgrade boots that are not going to break down so easily. And, because there are a lot of inexpensive boots out there that just don't last long, and they just, and plus they're not usually resolable. And so you can't really take it to a cobbler because, the outsole is one of the first things that break down. And most of these inexpensive boots that are like, I don't know, sub $100, they are not resolable. So I was looking for a pair of boots that, well, again, repairable, so I could just take it to cobbler and they could just resole them. So anyway, I was doing some research and I came across this company called Red Wing Shoes. Again, I don't know much about boots, so I never heard of this company before, but they seem to have really good reviews on them. They've been around for a long time. It says established 1905, so more than 100 years they've been making boots, and they're completely made in USA, which is rare these days. Anyway, I just got these boots like yesterday, and I wanted to go and share my unboxing with you guys today, and then I'll try them on, give you a first impression. Obviously, this is not going to be a full review because I haven't worn them yet. Maybe I'll wear them for a few months and then I'll share my thoughts again with you guys. But today is just gonna be unboxing and first impression. Okay. So with that intro out of the way, let's get on with the unboxing. And the company is called Red Wing Shoes. And again, they've been around since 1905. So they've been making shoes or boots for more than 100 years, which is pretty impressive if you ask me. They are completely made in USA. That's very rare. The model is called Blacksmith, and I got the color black, size 9 with D, which is normal size. They say that for boots, you want to go half size down. So I usually wear size 9.5 on like tennis shoes. So hopefully this will fit. So it comes with this little card that says it's authentic, USA made, crafted by hand, full grain leather, since 1905. So here is the boot. The top is completely 100% full grain leather. It's got 3 speed hooks. I wish this was a hole instead of a hook because I don't wear shoes in the house. So I prefer to just have the last hole. Actually, is this hole? Oh yeah, it is hole, never mind. So I guess you could actually kind of put the shoestring through here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So you could just quickly take off boots without tying and untying every time. Anyway, so just on with the rest of the boots. So these strings are fabric, but I think they're like waxed. So you can tell inside is just like a raw leather. It's got some little sticker here. There's something else in here. It's like a little paper. This says inspected by Matthew. They personally examine the shoes and they meet the high quality standards. Thank you for buying our product. So, good thing about these heritage boots, they have what's called Goodyear welt, like hand sewn welt, I guess they call it. And this is not a 360 degree. This is only, I guess, 270 degree Goodyear welt. Now, why is that good? Because when the heel wears out quickly, I mean, I can tell from the experience, right? So when that happens, apparently it's easier for a cobbler to just replace this part without tearing the rest of the boot, So I guess that's why they made it so that it's not a 360 degree Goodyear welt, but 270. So that's that. You could tell at the outsole as well. And by the way, the outsole is Vibram or Vibram. This is not a completely lug sole, I guess I call it, but it's like a hybrid of those lug sole plus like a flat dress shoes. And apparently this is oil resisting. So first impression, it's definitely well built, probably like 2 millimeter almost. I don't know if you can tell there. And obviously the smell is like, you can tell it's like a really good leather. You can smell it. There's no heel tab. I wish it had like a full tab. It might be something helpful. The toe box is it's not super pointy, which I like because if you look at those dress shoes, they're like really super pointy and like sharp. I guess you couldn't call it a fully gusseted, but like partially gusseted. So I think it's water resistant. Yeah, it seems like it's gonna last a really long time. Now, I guess this is normal to not have any sort of like inserts, I guess. This lining at the bottom is not removable, but apparently it's just like full leather. So I'll probably put like one of those inserts to make it more comfortable, I think. Okay, so there's one. So far, the first impression is really good. Look at all this stitching, triple stitch. I really like the contrast color, this brown versus like this black. I like that a lot too. Let me go and put these on to see how they look on my feet. Again, this is size 9, and I wear usually size 9.5 on the regular shoes, like tennis shoes, and it feels pretty good. I mean, I have some room in the toe box, which is good, and the width-wise, size D, I think, maybe a little bit snug, but I think because these are like real leather, they're gonna, I think, stretch out more I wear them. And plus, I have a lot of room in the toe box, which I think is gonna help out with the comfort. All right, so I've fully laced them up, and this is how they look. And I must admit, they look pretty sharp, I think. What do you guys think? One thing I want to mention is I see a lot of guys wearing boots with really baggy pants, but I think that's a mistake. My advice, if you're, looking to buy boots like these, you want to wear pants that are, maybe not skinny fit, but form fitting so that they show off your boots. And you almost always want to kind of cuff your pants like this, because if you're wearing really baggy pants, they're gonna completely kind of swallow your boots and cover up your boots, and you want to show off your boots a little bit. And especially these boots are only like 6 inches heel height, so that's not that high. So even for guys, you can kind of show off your boots by wearing form-fitting jeans like these or pants, and then if they're really long, just cuff them at the bottom. So going back to the boots, I don't know, maybe I have a wide feet, a little bit wide feet, but I could tell that the side of the boots are kind of bulging, and I don't know if that's normal. I'm guessing as I wear them more, they're gonna start to kind of form fit around my feet, hopefully. I was hoping that I could put the shoestring through the last hole, but the hole is not big enough, so I don't think it's designed for that. So I have these boots that I've been wearing for a long time. These are made by Rockport. These are not as expensive as these are, certainly, but let me just show you what I mean. I have them laced out all the way up to top, but kind of loose like this. So since they have speed hooks here and here next to last hole, all I do is just tighten up like this, put the string around the hooks like this, and then I'm good to go. But when I want to take it off, just unhook like this. Easy. But with these, I don't think I could do that. I would have to untie every time I want to take them off. So I don't know if you guys have like a better suggestion, maybe you could let me know, but I'm sure I'll figure it out maybe. So again, I'm gonna wear these for a while and then come back and let you guys know my longer term review. All right, guys, so that was just a quick, well, maybe not quick, unboxing and first impression video of the Red Wing Blacksmith model number 3345 boots in black. Okay, so whether you are a man who's looking for boots like these, or maybe you're a woman who's looking for a gift, I hope this video was a little bit helpful to you in your buying decision, okay? And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and then hopefully I'll be able to answer. These boots are not cheap. They are, I guess, considered mid tier. They retail for 320 or 330, and I guess sometimes you can find discounts, but that's pretty rare. These are really high quality and they're made here in America. So usually that means it's gonna be more expensive than some of the boots that you find on the major retailers. They go for like less than $100. As I was saying, I'm hoping to wear this for a while, at least a few months, and then I'll come back and do a more fuller review with you guys. So until then, as always, be kind to yourself and be kind to others. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.